Hello? Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you there. Apparently, I just got this new headphone, which is pretty good. So, how about we take a deeper dive into see what is it? So, this is the Logitech G733 Lightspeed, a wireless headphone from the Logitech G brand, also a sub-brand of Logitech. This headphone is very light compared to other headphones, and around 273 grams. This headphone has a battery life of 29 hours approximately before it needs to be recharged. And with the Lightspeed technology, you can walk away 20 meters of your transmitter to go to the toilet, to go get some food, microwaves up some popcorn or anything you want. And then you can come back and see that you have lost your game. And also, you don't need to worry about cable because of course it's wireless and you won't have your classic headphone pull. The headphone also comes with a DTX 2.0 surround sound system. Unfortunately, the headphone does not have any noise cancellation, but it does have passive noise cancellation. They have 5 colors. First, your normal gamer color, the black, and your contrasting color, the white. And then you have the special edition KDA, which is actually, the main color is white, and then your band is black and blue. And then you have lilac and blue. So, let's see the texture of the headphone. First, you have your headband, which is removable in case you want to wash it or something. And it's also adjustable with here 2 holes for you to adjust. It's also very stretchy, so it can go comfortably on your head. And then you have the headphone itself. You have the frame. It does not have any pivot, and this headphone has a bit of turning space for you to fit on your head comfortably. It is also adjustable up and down here. Not much though, because mostly you're going to be adjusting your headband. And to the gamer feature, of course you have the RGB. And then here you have a microphone jack for you to include the microphone, your charging port, which is USB-C. This is your on-off and battery status. And then you have your volume wheel, your customizable button. I have put on the headband back on. So what I can feel first is these are very comfy, very soft, and has some degree of noise insulation for the noise cancellation. Next is your head will rest on this instead of normally headphones like resting on a piece of cushion to place on your head. And if you wear it for a long time, your head might get hurt. But since this thing is very light, you can pretty much wear it until you finish your day. So now that I'm done talking about the physical specs, let's see what we have in store in the Logitech G software. So now that we have taken a look of it, we can now see how it connects to the computer. Simply put, it's plug and play. There, you're connected. And you just have to turn on your headphone on this button. But as you can see, the LEDs are on, which means they're already on. So now let's take a look at the software. So here you can see is the Logitech G Hub software, and this is the G733. So we'll click into it, and here you can see 4 options. So we can start with the light sync. We have the top and bottom LED. You can also have these effects that you can pick. There are a few things, and a few special ones, such as the screen sampler, which I don't know how to use yet, and the audio visualizer that works using the audio. Next, we can go on to assignments. There's only one button on this headphone, and you can assign any command to this button. For me, I use the mute self of the Discord integration function. Here you can see the list of commands. And you can also assign individual characters and the overlay functions. And then you can make your own macros by recording keystrokes or any actions. Then you have the basic system commands. The headphone also has the G shift function. That means with a mouse, you can press the G shift that you assigned and use another function you assign to the G shift function on the headphone button. The G shift function is here in the system commands. Next, we can move on to the headphone audio. You can adjust the volume, the mic volume, and side tone, which is you can hear yourself while you talk. And also, once you enable advanced EQ, you can use these presets. For me, I use my own preset here on the screen. You have these presets I'm showing you right now, and your custom presets. And now we go onto the surround sound tab. You can enable your surround sound, which will make your audio a lot better. You can also adjust each volume of the sound direction. For me, it's all the same. There's also the multi-channel surround sound mode, which can choose entertainment, gaming, and sport, and the DTS Super Stereo mode. There's off, front, wide, and traditional. Now to the last function, we have the microphone. The microphone, there's a lot to play with. You got your basics, it is the input gain, and then you have your blue voice, which is a sound effect for the Logitech G Hub software, and then the NVIDIA broadcast. Unfortunately, I cannot use this function since I do not have a RTX series card. So now that we enable the blue voice, we have a lot of blue voice presets. They are the sound effects. You got your AM, broadcaster 1, broadcaster 2, your FM station, and your voice settings. Here you can adjust them, and when you adjust them, you can save as a copy in the custom presets. Here you can also record your own voice and play it back with the filter on. So now that you have seen everything about this headphone, you can now be sure if you want to buy it or not. With a price point in Thailand that might be a little too much for your kids, about 4,700 baht. Pretty expensive, that's close to 5,000. But if I would say if it's worth it, I would say it's worth it. You can walk anywhere you want, it's comfy and cozy, and sound audio is very good, and you also have a good mic. So, you bought this thing for around 5,000 in Thailand. But, again, if you buy it from the US, you can buy it for 3,700. That's 1,000 price reduced. And with that, I would say, pretty good deal. You get a lot of features, good sound audio, good mic, and lightweight. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you want to see where I bought this from, you can take a look in the description. They're not linked to me by any means. It's just a link where I bought it from. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.